Exported to Russia. Scaffolding plank roll forming machine. At the request of Russian customers, Zhongtuo provided them with the forming solution, capable of handling multiple plank sizes with high strength and precision. One of the core innovations of this machine line is its quick change mold system. This design allows operators to switch between two different plank profiles without complex disassembly or calibration. For manufacturers managing various orders with frequent size changes, this significantly not only reduces downtime and improves responsiveness, but also saves space and investment costs. In practice, the customer in Russia has reported a 30% decrease in transition time between product sizes, resulting in a smoother workflow and better inventory turnover.